Listen to me. I need you to be brave. A man will come and take you away. I cannot go with you. This is how it has to be. This man is different. He will protect you. Please don't judge him for what he might do. I'm sorry. Maybe someday you will understand.
This is Benjamin Travis. The money has been wired to your account. Welcome to Chicago. I appreciate you taking this assignment, 47. It is never easy targeting our own, but Diana Burnwood's treason must be dealt with. I would send in one of the teams, but this is a job for a scalpel, not a hammer.
Reasons are irrelevant.
Exactly. Good luck, 47.
Sir. Yeah, it's an ice cream truck. Yeah, I know. I'll get rid of him. Hey, get out of here. We don't want anything.
What about your partner?
What partner?
During this assignment, key game elements will be highlighted. First of all, try to kill with discretion and try to remain undetected. Let's look at the interface. In the lower left corner, the blue bar indicates your health. Next to it is the radar. Use it to keep track of enemies, objectives, and exit points. In the lower right corner, you can see what weapon you have selected and if it's hidden. Next to the weapon, the yellow bar indicates how much instinct you have available. If it is depleted, you cannot rely on instinct ability.
According to ICA Division Chief Benjamin Travis, my former handler Diana Burnwood has gone rogue, taking with her a valuable agency asset, a girl named Victoria. After months underground, Diana's safe house has been located, a heavily guarded mansion on the shores of Lake Michigan. My objective? Eliminate Diana and retrieve the girl. Personal note. Diana saved my life. Although the grounds for termination are just, I take no pride in this assignment. From here on out, I shall refer to her only as my target. I must not get personally involved.
Abilities. Approach the cover in front of you. When you are in cover, it is harder for your enemies to spot you. Items found in the world can be used as close combat weapons, or you can use them to distract your enemies.
What?
Excellent. Slip past while the guard is distracted.
Hello? Hello?
You have activated a checkpoint. If you die or if you choose to restart, you will start at this location.
Calling in personnel from local outfits? We'll barely have time to...
Agent 47's training and supreme senses allow him to keenly perceive his surroundings.
Hey! Man, things are being thrown by some joker. We'll look into it. Over. I'm all about diplomacy.
Yeah, she's been begging him
Hey.
to help, but he doesn't want
Anyone
anyone to
there?
know. Least of all us.
25 years back. You think you're immune, then bam.
Wait and listen to the people around you. They may give vital information or simply let you know when the coast is clear.
What? Just doing my rounds.
Don't even think
Please.
about it.
My wife's the state
Serious.
champion in
This job
gossip.
is probably the
It's
only
only a
thing
matter of
holding them
time.
together.
Not that I don't appreciate your
Burnwood
concern.
down, no.
Yeah, fine.
Mark my words, kid. You should get out of soldiering.
Use instinct
Build a
or
bridge,
consult the radar
save
to
some
locate
sea
the
turtles.
exit.
This travel agency only has 2 destinations: death and depression. And either way, I'm damn sure.
Use instinct to anticipate enemy movement.
Looks like the chef's cooking up a storm.
The guard is headed for the railing and will not reach you.
I tell you, this gig is like watching paint dry, but at least the service is good.
The greenhouse up ahead will require a disguise to infiltrate unnoticed.
Burnwood is tightening security.
Look for a disguise. You are disguised as a gardener. In this disguise, you are allowed to be in the greenhouse area. Be mindful that other gardeners trick the gardener. Someone is about to notice you. The attention display shows the guards up ahead will not be suspicious, but you should keep a lookout for other gardeners.
I know, the girl hasn't left the house since we got here. Hello? No school, no friends coming over? Bit odd, don't you think?
I don't know.
Sorry, pal, new rules. This area is off limits unless you're security or guests of Miss Burnwood.
What?
Perfect. Just perfect. I'm gonna kill these maintenance clowns.
Nah,
The guards have been dealt
pays
with.
him a week in advance.
Doing so, you regain some instinct.
Come on, let's check out the boats.
The guards are preoccupied. You can kill them or sneak past. The choice leaving people alive is cleaner, but might complicate your effort to remain undetected. Yet this is the mark of the silent assassin, to leave the world around.
Infiltrate the mansion and terminate Diana Burnwood. And Victoria, bring her in, unharmed. She is very dear to me and the agency.
What? You're kidding. Wait, are you sure? It's not prostate cancer. I could kiss you. I mean, that's great news. Oh, man, you made my day. Yeah, thanks, Doc. Yeah. Ooh, man, I thought I was a goner. Yeah, Doc, I gotta run. Duty calls. And thank you so much. You have a nice day, too. Yeah, bye. Woo! Man, no one can piss on this day.
You are now inside the mansion. Your current disguise will be suspicious to the mansion guards. Either find a new disguise or try to remain undetected.
Hey, you know the client doesn't want smoking around the house. Come on, what's the matter with you? You're a soldier, for Christ's sake. Your body is a temple.
The mansion guard disguise gives you full access. Throughout the game, you will find evidence. Removing the evidence will award you rating points and instinct. Beyond this door, the rating system will be turned on. It will monitor your playstyle and reward your progress. You can see it in the top left corner. As always, how you handle your assignment is entirely up to you. Good luck.